People see that. What's up, everybody? It's your boy, the biggest, baddest Tiger Bombian, and I'm here with.
Hey yo, it's your boy Master City Plat. You know what it is.
And welcome to O34 Issues!
That's cool.
Grounding namhlanje mfethu. Ngisebenza akho artist mfethu. Yes, hey. Yeah, first for grounding mfethu. Bengithi asikho ema-celebrity-ni yabona, asikho ama-artist namhlanje mfethu. Yabona mfethu si-sportsmen namhlanje, sama-sports analysts. You know, sports Thomas Mlambo namhlanje mfethu.
Yeah, most definitely. Ladies and gentlemen, please forgive us for for not speaking English at this point because our subtitles us now, right?
And futhi by the way, man, ofuna ukusenzela ama-subtitles for free.
Yeah, we're operating on a low budget. Also.
It's finished. Yeah, it's a finished budget. Angeke manje it's about subtitles abazoba strong.
But as you know, ladies and gentlemen, we cover business people, entertainment industry people, talking about musicians, actors. I will today silendemi sports straight, athletes and stuff like that. So Machita, let us just open the floor for the Utaba Fetubas being Utibang and bills, because kufanele bayibheke bafowethu yabona, kufanele babe used to these camera things and stuff like that. Nakanjani chief, nakanjani
ngoba
kusazoshuka imagine. So Fethu, y'all can start with Fethu. Who are you? What are you doing here also?
What do you think? Qala ngala, isiqale ngala. Qale kwena. Why ngesiqale nje. Futhi ngesiphinda siqale
Amajita.
Noma asize ne?
Yes.
Siyenza live in camera nje.
Okay.
I shine rock paper scissors. Yeah. Shine rock paper scissors. I can. Paper scissors.
Ngibingelele nonke okusile phambi kwenu Special Kamjali. You play goalkeeper where it just been.
Shine specific, shine.
Always.
Sonibona bafethu. Thanda ngiyena ke lo khuluma manje kosikho ngawanda. Different than just been.
Shout out. Yeah. All over bafethu akuseyo bakhuluma abakhuluma ngabo bakhuluma ngeenyawo.
You wanna language
language abandastand. Kube besingakhulumi nje sithi ibhola nje iyo into
Yeah,
man. So kuseyo bafethu nidlalela iBay, ne? And ongayazi Richards Bay i-team eku-Premier Soccer League yabona, which is i-top flights la South Africa yabo. And ngisho njani manje, it's not a small thing ukudlalela i-team eku-top flights yabo. Baningi ama-players bedla ngaphandle bazama ukungena bese kuya ama-sports la engu yabo. And in a privileged sports yabo. And asiqale eqaleni yabo, siqale eqaleni futhi sibuyele emuva nje
asibe mhlawumbe kanje. Can you guys take us through i-journey yenu yabo from playing kuma-fields asekusizweni? Because kuma-fields ako Richards Bay, nje siqale kanjalo. How has the experience been for Neo of it?
Yeah, ukuthi nje
Wow. Yeah.
Siqala ibhola showcase sakuqala sidlala nje singenayo iminingi yokuthi kuyini ukudlala ibhola. Sidlala ngamabhola eplastic isikhula ndawonye.
Ishukuli.
Yeah, ishukulu.
Yeah.
Fortunately ke sikhule sonke noNkoskhona.
Yeah.
From Darcy Street up until manje.
Yeah.
Besisonke.
Yeah.
So ukudlala kwethi ibhola ayingekho leyo nto leyo ukuthi sizibona siko PSL, MDC, Vele TV besibuka sikulama league lawa ngaphansi kwa PSL, o ABC, NFT lawo ma league leyo.
Yeah.
Then up until sibona ukuthi ngomunye wayela eGaza ukuthi kuyafikeka lapha. Saqala ke sithola inspiration ukuthi lapha kuyafikeka. Yabo. Sibuka nabaningi abantu abaphuma le kwasela abadlala ibhola.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So sabukela kubona sakhula ndawonye sayiphusha nje kwenzeka nto.
Yeah.
Ukufika la sikhona ke nizomkhulumela Nkoskhona because kwasasisonke sibize kufike la.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, sasiye eDurban kwakunama trials eGolden Arrows.
Oh yeah.
Masifika khona ngangakabi nepass by that time mangatrial mina.
Yeah.
Kwayengekho Nkoskhona.
Yeah.
Then endleleni ethi buya lo Newcastle si disappointed ukuthi abazange bangivumele ukuthi ngitry since ngenayo i think and
Yeah.
so ukubuya kwesendleleni iRichards Bay ya release post yokuthi izobe inama trials. Enkani la main mode zonke le ndawo zala eKZN ngala.
Yeah.
So sadecide ngaleso sikhathi emotweni ukuthi la siyayo noma ngathiwa kanjani njani ipasi likhona liko Sol. So Nkoskhona wayengeka ngisho ukuthi yeah bafika la eNewcastle samtshela ukuthi bethu kunento kanje kanje asihambeni sozama enhlanhla.
Yeah.
So saphuma sasiba yi10 cishe.
Yes.
Sisaya khona. Besifike eNkandla kwaba nenkinga yokuthi kuthiwa mawungasiwa waseNkandla ngeke uzunikeze ithuba lokutrial nani. Fortunately ke khona umjide sasambe nawo wazi ukukhuluma nabantu. Wasikhulumela wasicelela ukuthi hayi elisa asane sesiveza le because suka kude ukuthi sizovela.
Yeah.
Yeah, sitrial ngaqala mina nomunye umjida ongekho manje okuthiwa usabe sodlamini. Sangena kwi first squad yayikhona. Then sadlala saphuma masingane sathathwa. Then olandela Nkoskhona no Monkey nalabo abanye.
Yeah.
So sathathwa sonke esasile lapha yazoba yi10.
No 10.
Yeah, we fin try sathathwa. Then sashare ama number yethu nama contact details zonke lezo impahla lezo. Because kwakusamele kube khona final trial, final selection ukuthi sekhipha i-top squad ezohamba yomela i-MDC since Richards Bay ku PSL nasasikhathi.
Yeah.
Yeah, besifika ke sabuya kwaba nje ikhathi because angenza umatric cishe wasubedile. Yeah, siqwashe eqedile. Sivaye ke siye ke final trial, siya siba yi10. Unfortunately ke sangasathathwa sonke.
Yeah.
Sathathwa saba yi4 of which kwakuyena umina uDlamini nomunye ethu usiphephile Thelezi uManki.
Okay.
Sathathwa kanjalo bona basebeqedile bona usiphephile esikoleni. Bavaya bona bayodlala thina nalomunye saqhubeka esigene. Kwathiwa sizobuyela mekuthiwa siyaqeda ukufunda wrong. Yeah. Savaya bavaya bajita showcase basimela vele baveza ukuthi abayanga lapha nestick.
Yeah.
Bave kahle ba represent ukuthi ba represent thina singekho ukuthi kahle sizeleni emazweni. Yeah, bebefika bajita benza into yakhona bele besiphusha nathi singala ikazi ukuthi hayi bajita Chimani indaweni ikhona uyazi vele masingabajita ngisho ubonisa indawo yikho umjito wakho uyambusha unike leyo khona.
Yeah.
So akuyinto kanjalo ukuthi besicheck mfethu ufike la strong mentally because izinto ezenzakalayo kufani nasekazi ukuthi uyaziwa. La mina uzozazisa ukuthi ubani ugain trust ugain confidence ujoyela abantu uzazi ukuthi ubani abantu unongabazi yabona lezo impahla lezo. Fortunately vele bona basebefike so basebe na experience izinto zalapha so wasekulula ukuthi basaka.
Oh navele nangena.
Yeah. Following year siqeda ukubhala sivaye eJanuary. Besifika sivele vele kwasekusele mhlambe 15 games. Siregister sijoyina siqhubeke sisebenzeni njengabajita. Then kuhamba isikhathi lokudlala umuntu eyiveze ejimini ethemba coach compliments lapha nalapha.
Yeah.
Then kwaba khona isikhathi wa promote oqala uNazi.
Yeah.
Wa promote to first team. Yeah. Na waphinde wabuye futhi kuthini ukuthi hayi bajita ukuthi kuphuka uyazi iwini yami iwini yetsonke so ukufika kwami lapha ukufika kwetsonke. Hayi qhubeke lokusipushana second season esepromotive. Then sapromote nalabo abanye abayi3 yabo so silandela yena manje.
Yeah.
Sapromote sonke then saqhubeka sadlala PSL ukuze kube yimanje ngoba sekwenza ngendlela yena usayitholile inhlanhla ukuthi athole ichance kuPSL wathi nasalile le chance.
Okay.
Yeah, ngoba into kanjalo.
Yeah, I know. I love to see it, man. Yabo. Ukutshengisa ukuthi into wabukela phansi yabo utshela ukuthi udlala nje yabo ukudlala nje, but then when the opportunity strikes yabo and you guys you grabbed it yabo nje ngizanele zowu2 nathi noma kanjani la
ukuthi mina nawe saseshe sawuyeka utimtim
siqilezana kakhulu sesiqilezana mina siqilezana ngi-Friday bese
akurayisa
ake manje ngeke sazi phela yabo bengifuna ukubuza la futhi ngoba njengoba ushilo la ne futhi obviously bakhona abadlalela abadlalela like ku-PSL yabona abantu baze ba-represent ngisho neBafana ngithi basuka la ikuphi engingabasho ukuthi enabukela kubo nabona ukuthi lento yenzeka ngempela
bakhona phela ukuthi ngesikhula vele bekhona amahulumani sibuyela kona njengoSiso Hlanti uSethemba Sithebe thina khona ushaya bathu bamsese Dumsana Zwane sibuyela kubona thina vele sisakhula because sathi masikhula thina sadlala vele ePikas ibone siphume ingaphelele kwasele besitshela ngathi yenzeka majita lento kanje nemahulumani asadlala ku-PSL nami ngiyakwazi ukufika lapha ngoba ba-representa nesquad Sethemba Sithebe
recently futhi uSithebe because we-10
besibona Sifiso Hlanti
wavibani usala
showcase
musala nje
zonke wona ukuthi sibuyela kubona vele thina
ngifuna ukubuza la ngabe ushilo ukuthi nakhona libukela kubo oHlanti ne and when you had a chance ukudlala against them Hlanti wadlala naye like on a professional level yabo Chiefs versus EB how was that experience and you feel ukuthi recruitment lapha not only ukuthi i-Chiefs because very Chiefs face ndabona bese team enkulu face yabona face noma face 10 years but i-team enkulu yabo so injani lo feeling ukuthi ngobese la recruitment lapha bese kuba left back right back left back labona and nami ngingapha nami kulami i-back yami yabo and nami mhlawumbe kwamakhona ngizomchallenge la recruitment how was that experience bese kubo
beyifini imnandi kakhulu ukudlala against umuntu bombuka saseGasi but in the time ikhathi sihamba waphila dlala against yena kuyifeeling emnandi Kasi yabona ngoba Kasi ifeeling emnandi kakhulu
kuba ilo bengifuna ukubuza abaz obviously many switch on sometimes ukuthi ayibo as much as lo mjida lona right now umuntu angiphilele ngembuko ne but manje i-competition manje ngiyabona like ukuthi leyo light bulb iswitcha kanjani leyo light bulb yini ekumotivator ukuthi labantu bethu most of them abaningikhulu ngibabuka yabo abaningi ngibabuka i-TV yabo but manje mfethu excess sesipanini manje ngisesipanini asikho isikhathi sokumhlonipha lo muntu lona yabo kanjalo nje and like if uswitcha kanjani leyo from ukuthi from idol to irangwell
kumele iy'tshele ukuthi nawe mfethu ngifuna uzakhele igama ngoba nabalakhile igama lami so nami ngesikhathi sami manje ngikwazi ukuzakhela igama so manje ukuthi ngidala kunami lo ngiyaphelela sisekhona kodwa mase singaphandle lapho siyaqala umuntu omdala but mase singaphakathi ngiyaphela nami umuntu engizakhela igama
I know ufuna ukubava khona
Chief ungifaka ku-sport manje ayikho into engifuna ukuyisho kodwa mfethu no ukuthi mina siyabaphakamisa kakhulu mfethu abantu bakithi Chief nabantu basendaweni yakithi Chief I understand but I just want to know ukuthi kunina bafethu ukuthi mhlambe ngaba khona yini ama-challenges mfethu esenike nabhekana nawo from niyayazi indaba esiphuma kuyo yebo niyayazi indaba esiphuma kuyo ngabe ikhona yini ihibe enaphambana nazo maybe engingasho mina ukuthi ngingaphambana nazo because I'm sure kukhona abantu abanhlwempu njengani but badala and basasela elokishini Chief you understand so would you say leshani sivele kwaba ukuhlangana kwezinto yasheshe yenzeka kunina vele or ngabe zikhona ihibe ikhona i-affecta nabanye amadlalo abakhona because we have potential as Newcastle ngeke ngikhamba mama shona niseniyena kubona lokho as well.
khona kuningi kakhulu.
So what do you think ama-challenges akhona like guys for ukuthi abantu baphumelele or bafike at least to lezinga leliningi enifike kulo? Noma babhema kakhulu abafana.
Ngiyazi mfethu ikasi esikhulele kulona akusiyo ikasi ongalicomparisha namanye amakasi. Yabo. Sikhulele ikasi elidume ngezinto ey'bhedane. Alcohol, drugs, lama gangs lawa khona. So bufika endaweni ongaziwa kuyona. Kuthiwa wena uNkosikhona waseNewcastle. Ongabe wazi lo wazi udumo lendawo yangakithi. Wona umuntu ophuzayo, umuntu obhemayo, umuntu o-ill discipline. Yabo. Sekuqalile nalolo awusiyo loyo muntu lo kaze ngenxa yendawo usuka kuyona. So sekumele futhi uphinde uyiprove futhi kuloyo muntu lo uthi awusiyo loyo muntu lo. So ukuphuma ngaphandle usuka kule kasi elikulona is about ukuzazi. Yabo ukuthi ubani phakathi kwabantu ongabazi because lapha ngaba khona ukuthi lo usuke ekasi elitrend. Angisho ukuthi bakhona abakwenza okubhedayo. Ngisho ekwenza okubhedayo ngiyakuvela cause ikasi lakhe li-clean. Yabo so mina mangathiwa ngifika lapha ngiyaphuza ukuthi wavele besikulinde waseNewcastle. Yebo leyo mpahla leyo. And enye into ebakhona ukuthi njengoba uNkosikhona yabo siphumelela njengabajizi ngiyibeka kanjani. Kuba khona ipressure ey'ntwaneni ey'khulayo ukuthi awomsheke bakwenziwe bebancane. Should nami lube yisona isikhathi sami. Yabo. Sebe abasadlalela uku-enjoy ibhola. Sebefuna ukuphumelela yabo. So bese ngabe ngabaphumeleli sebe disappointed. Sebeqala senza izinto engamele isebenze yabo. Iyo ama-challenges abakhona nawo.
Sekwenzeka le mpahla le bathi i-pay to play. Leyo pay to play yabo. And nadiyo nezinto ezinjalo like ubone ukuthi mhlambe uye kuma-trials and udlalile yabo and bakuvumile but because khona lo one yabo
Corruption ikhona lapha.
Ikhona ebholeni.
Ayikahleni bafithi maningi.
Singesisho phela kwi-Richards Bay but kwi-football ekhona yabo.
Nasebholeni.
Yonke indawo mfethu money talks. Ma-trial. Ufike nje wena ngikufake something esandleni bese ngiyotshela umuntu oscout-ayo ukuthi leya yintwana yami awenze iplan sokhuluma amaxoxo.
Oh but we can make it bafithi singaphumelela. Niyabona yini kodwa angisho lutho
Nabo kuba izinto ey'kanjalo mfethu. Yabo.
But on the long run sengingasho ukuthi leyo nto ayisebenzi on the long run because I believe ukuthi ekugcineni i-talent ilot because on the long run uyayiphuza
Izosebenza nje isikhathi esincane. Time isikhathi sami. Kuyovela time that.
For example yabo ebholeni ucoach bayashintsha. Wena ungiscouthile ngikukhokhelile. Ufike omunye ucoach wayengeke ungiscout usebenza ngetalent ongasebenzi ukuthi unami uphuma. Mina anginamali nginemali but eground nginzwe yabo. Wayengekho ukhokha. Yabo sekumele yena abe professional. A-choose mina over wena. Kuba into enjalo. So akusebenzi ukuthi ungenele ngemali kuleso sikhathi leso because i-career into i-football into engaka. Yabo intenda kupheleli ngaleso sikhathi sama-trials. Sazoba khona ama-games usazodlala usazosaba abantu. Kuzoba khona i-chairman yabo leyo nto leyo. Bekungekho kuwena ibhola alikho. Imali ngeke izidlale kumele kudlale.
Uyayibeka insizwa man. No man angifuni ukubuza la man masingana uke washo man wathi le ndawo yethu sometimes it is looked at.
Angifuna ngemlomeni I was thinking the same thing. So that's the same thing. Why chemist mnganami? Chemist mnganami? Chemist mnganami?
So
khona bona boy. Okay,
so now I want to ask mfethu yabo because personally mina mfethu yabo mina mfethu ngawuyeka mfethu utshwala abantu mangafika lapha achieve ngawuyeka mfethu ama-drugs abantu mangafika lapha but ngishelo mina angisho ngiyawenza ngiyayishela yabo
kodwa ngawuyeka
yazi lento iyangikhulumisa lento but okay na ngifuna ukubuza ama-adjustment kunina ukuthi njengoba senidlala kulama team kanje senirepresenta lama team kanje yini seniyishintshile ngey'mpilo zenu chief?
Ayiphinde question yakho
Yeah, so no, umbuzo is imaphi ama-adjustments mfethu esengahluka kakhulu mhlampe indlela yokwenza into, you know, mhlampe mentally or into mhlampe yabo indlela yokwenza apart nje from wena yourself yabo ukuthi yini mhlampe osuke wayishintsha ngoba na usudlalela these specific teams, even nangendlela yokudla nje maybe you change indlela yokudla, but what have you changed since usudlalela i-Richards Bay?
Damn, it's kuningi kakhulu mfana. Ngoba phela
Amateki washintsha sho.
ukudlala idlala afana.
This yeah, very
La ekhaya ngadlala ngajima 2 days. Yeah. Noma ujima 1 day ngiyodlala maphela. But mawusule awukwazi ukujima 1 day. Maybe consistent ukhetha ujima yabo.
Ispan
Ngendlela yokudla kumele ishit. Angeke uthi mina vuka ekuseni ngishaya amagunya nje yabo.
Oh, yizwa icabanga into eyenziwayo wena ukuthi ekuseni bese something ngamagunya la nkukhu.
Manje washaya mawuthi is off ne.
Yeah.
But sengisho mhlambe match day.
Yeah.
Yakwazi ukudla amagunya, udla into right.
Oh, okay, so like healthy veg.
Yakhetha ukudla kuyashintsha. Yakuningi okushintshayo mfethu. I-discipline futhi nayo futhi lapho ngiyayikhawunta futhi. Because many most like masayikasa discipline asinayo. Yazenzela yabo. But manje singale ayashintsha. Imanede ayashintsha. Ukuthi yakuna ingane. Ngapha abona ngingayenza ngija. But ngala ngeke coach. Phela uyesemsebenzini naye.
Yeah, it's facts.
Kuningi mfethu. Ngabona ukushona indawo. Phela ngumfowami la usawuba kubala kunami.
For mina ngicabanga ukuthi firstly lento le yokuthi usubona njenge-professional football iza ne-pressure yodwa.
Alright.
Cause manje abantu bayakususa ekuceleni ukuthi umuntu yabo.
Oh yeah.
Even though ngingaphuzi ngingabhemi yabo sengikhulumela abanye abajita abakhona abakwenza amanye ama-footballers yabo. So wena mhlawumbe uyangibona ngiyaphuza even kuthiwa ngiphuzele ekhaya usuzoba nalento yokuthi hayi i-football ephuzayo ukhohlwe ukuthi nami ngine-spare time sami lesi ngiphumulile ngekho emsebenzini kumele ngenze izinto zami yabo leyo nto leyo. So kuyaqala lapho ukushintsha ukuthi mewuphuza ukuphuza kwakho sekumele kuhluke uma ukuthi uyakwenza.
Oh, okay.
Mawuphuza ugoloko mhlawumbe sekumele ufake esigubhini se-drink ngiyabona lezo zinto lezo ukuthi uthole impisi yabo. Yonke into yakho sekumele ibe kanje because khona into ongayazi ukuthi ibukela kuwena. Ngiyabona leyo nto. So yonke into yakho kumele ibe professional mfethu. Izinto oyishoyo indlela associate ngayo nabantu kumele ishintshwe yabo. Philisane nabantu yabo kuba ilezo zinto lezo ukuthi awukwazi ukuthi ngoba wena usofikile la abanye abangafiki khona so uyashintsha usuba ngcono namanye amajito yabo leyo nto le. Kumele ube umuntu oyedwa uphilisane nama-out njengoba wawuphila before because lento le ingaphela yabo sekumele ubuye kuwona futhi lama-out nowabhambene ngathi usaphezulu. Kuba izinto ey'kanjalo.
Ngifuna ukubuza la ukuthi how do you guys handle i-pressure yama-fans? Yazi lento lokuthi esinokubuka umuntu lapha nedlise lapha uthi udlisile fesi udlisile and
umqamba manga ezonkela. Abantu basambelani kanjeni public. Ningashaba madoda. Abantu bahlanya mfethu uyadlisa nodlisile. I'm sure lo muntu ngale mentality anayo mangakubona mfana engagijimisa ngisho nokugijimisa indlela abantu abathanda ngayo mfethu. Mfethu bahlanga abantu shit.
athi umuntu nje ngafa umholo wami wonke.
Yena ngobheji.
Wakoro. No, wayithatha amaholo wami.
Is a like question.
So how do you deal with leyo nto leyo because ngiyanotice sometimes umuntu mhlawumbe like is under heavily criticism uyambona nase gaming ukuthi like akasekho comfortable yabo like use teka manje because uyambona ukuthi le pressure ingene ekhaya and obviously ke kwenzeka kakhulu ngenxa ye social media yabo i-social media iyona ke lena uthi nje mawubheka ubone nje kuthiwa hey udlisile mgabe yami uyisile lona inkomo lona yabona njani deserve hamba kule squad lesi yabona. So how do you handle leyo situation leyo?
Phethele yonke indawo ine-pressure so nje maybe accept lo nto leyo thina njengabadlali bebhola vele i-pressure hlezi ikhona. Ungenza i-mistake egrawundini ingene igoli ama-fans vele azolwa nawe but wena kumele uresponde kuwona because waqala uresponda kuwona ya vele suyangamenthanga and igame vele uzoyiluza obvious ngeke usazayo into emidlale ngayo. So nje i-pressure kumele uyi-accept nje but nje ungarespondi my friends ila lawo so ne-social media vele hayi ingozi social media
ingozi
iyakwakha iyaku-expose at the same time. Wenza into enhle athi phela uyatrenda social media uyaduma uyaziwa wenza into embi futhi uyatrenda futhi bakuhlonisa phansi social media nje vele iyasibulala sinabadlala ibhola hayi la kumele sideleke nakho face nje kumele yasibulala kakhulu kule time
so into kumele uyi-avoid is
into kumele uyi-avoid le kumele uyi-avoid
so bafo as a keeper man when we last line of defense so shumi impela ke lapho yabona kuwe so i-question yami ukuthi like ndoda nakho ke usungenela ama-goals yabo mhlawumbe nawe you had a bad game noma mhlawumbe you didn't have a bad game yabo bekushubile nje beniphethe nje benidlala nabanye abantu naku sengene 4 sengene 4-5 manje u-goalkeeper wena bese ulokhu ulanda nje i-netting bese yabo and uma ubheka bese ubheka na kuthiwa hey the goalkeeper yazi manje lesigoma usuthi lapha I feel like the goalkeeper could have done better there yabona lapha
ngisazi
hey
nami ngiyampika angifundanga nalo
so yabo as better as again it's i-pressure niyithola kakhulu because defender yabo ne-goalkeeper yabo so wena as a goalkeeper how do you deal with your pressure le yokuze kuseni lana bethu mina uhlezi uwash and mangena 4-5 kumele ngidile naleyo situation
but lento mfethu eka-football nje iyonke ungawabala ama-position kumele ube mentally strong yabo because ngisho ngathiwa we-attack ungale ungayenza i-mistake singakhoni ukukhava sonke yabo kuze kube igoli sekuyacaca ukuthi wena wenza i-mistake kwaba igoli so lento le mfethu ifuna ukuthi ube strong mentally yabo because as much as ngo-goalkeeper ayingeke ngibambe yonke into yingakho labo baphambi kwami kumele ngikhulume nabo ukuthi kumele babe wash ngabo because uma elalile ngakhona ukumsiza nami kuba khona moment la ngizothi ibhola ngiliphethe khona ngilinike opponent akhona ukumsiza yabo so kumele wazi ukuthi khona ozokubamba khona yokubamba and nalento yoku-understand ukuthi ezinye izinto ey'daliwe yabo ezinye izinto ngeke uy'balekele if u-5 nje ukuqondile namhlanje because akekho umuntu ovuka nje bethu egemini athi hayi namhlanje ngifuna ukungenelwa yi-5 i-5 ngena uthandazile ukuthi I can't yabo I can't do this one so ukuthi izongena ngamagoli amaningi yabo so mfethu uma wenza kahle kumele u-accept ukuthi wenza kahle uma ushayile ident uyi-accept ident bese ubounce back because okubalulekile ukuthi i-reaction yakho after i-mistake because ungayenza i-mistake manje ufocus kuyona uphinde wenze the very same thing uphinde wenze yabo so kubalulekile ukuthi after this mistake ngibounce kanjani phela immediately because i-game u-90 minutes akusise ngesikhathi esincane yabo so kushaya i-mistake ngaleso sikhathi uyayivusa mentally namajita ayakuvusa ukuthi let's go kaphile yabo so ukukora kwabo suyabuka ukuthi okay ba-equalize angisakwazi ukuphinda leya mistake leya mekwenzeke lala kumele ngibe khona mina ngibona ngiveza ukuthi ne-mistake iyenzeka so nami ngakhona ukumkhiya kuba izinto ey'kanjalo
no but no kuhle mfethu yabona if you guys are able ukuthi niyikhulumele kulo mbuzo lowo kanje you know uma ngibuka kahle vele thina as Newcastle well as i-Old Trafford Issues podcast thina vele bangasibali chief ngisho noma bengadlisa sizothi thina hayi hard luck awuphethe amaphutha enzeke amaphutha engekahle yabo and stuff like that but vele lento would apply kulabantu laba abanye vele from other places sebe looking down on us thina hey because we know amaphutha enzeka guys but ke Fethu, I want to talk about both mhlambe individual like personally nangokwe na as a player umdlali we-Richards Bay ukuthi ama long term goals wenu iwona maphi nje personally as wena uyi-out yabo uyifisela something for the future yabo and wena as umdlali yabo a long term goal oyisethayo ukuthi kusaya maybe I wanna ingayini well, if you guys can answer that question, both personally and as umdlali, Richards Bay / Orlando. Orlando or whatever.
Nah, futhi uyabo ngoba si-approach isizini entsha. Showcase uzokumehleli uqala kwesizini entsha. Akafuni ukuthi abe nama-assist alingana nawo la season.
True.
As much as ngingafuni ama-clean sheets alingana nawo la season. So uqala nje kancane kanje ukuthi okay last season ngibamba ama-clean sheets awu-10. Yini kulokhu ngingathi 15. Mangiwa ngivele ku-14, 13. Ngingabi ukuthi ngiyadrop yabo. Short term goal nje lento within 30 games uyiqedana. Bese kuba khona into yokuthi ufuna ukwenza igama.
Okay.
Naye futhi yenze ngesikhathi nga-3 games ngalenza igama. Yabo. Futhi ngo-3 games ungayibulala wena njenge-player. Yabo. So ama long term goals ngicabanga kuba le mpahla yokungena esquadini because angikwazi ukuthi ngiya-introduce manje kwi-top flights manje sengifuna ukungena esquadini. So kumele ngisebenze ngibe consistent yabo ngiqhubeke ngiweke hard ngigrind more yabo. So into ezothatha isikhathi leyo of which kokwenzeka futhi ibuke ngathi impossible.
Sometimes
uyabuka abantu
ngeke ithathe isikhathi because sometimes you just need opportunity.
So prove yourself.
And the opportunity nje mayingafika and wavele babona ukuthi yo i-jam le. So I feel like sungasho ukuthi ungena esquadini.
But as much as ungasho ukuthi ileso sikhathi phela ukhumbule ukuthi esquadini ababizi mina ngeke. Yabo. Bangambiza babize nge-left back babize nge-left back bayi-3. Yabo leyo mpahla leyo. So ingakho ngithi long term goal because manje kumele uyibhithe wena into oyibekele yona. Ubuka abantu okompyutha nabo. Kumele uphinde ubabhithe futhi bengazi ukuthi ubabhithile. Yabo leyo nto leyo ukuze uzongena lapha yani. For example uRonza Ronnie Williams. Uyayibona into ayenzile for i-squad. So awukwazi ukuthi nga-few games usungayibona ukuthi usungacisha yonke lento uRonza yenzile. Kuyothatha isikhathi ukuthi nawe yenze nabo. Kuba into kanjalo mfethu.
Nawe wakhupha for ungathi ama long term goals yakho. And mhlambe asazi mhlambe khona i-one achieve goal yakho.
Ingakho ethuwe.
But wapi?
But I don't tell me I'm pretty ngasho ukuthini yabona. Nami ngiyafisa ukubona esquadini. South Africa.
So bafana.
And futhi ngiyafisa uyibona ngidlala ku-Big 3. La eMzansi.
Ngiyafisa ukuyibona ngempela lapho ngiyafisa ukuyibona ukuyi-Big 3.
Ngiyafisa ngempela. After uyabona ngiye futhi na-Orkanti mfethu.
Ngicabanga
showcase ngizele umuntu ofuna uya-Orkanti. Nawuthi vele sibaningi siyafisa ukudlala ku-Big 3 but angeke vele sihambe sonke. Indlela zonke ayifani. Ngiyafisa so-2 ukuthi hayi mfethu. Vele support i-Chiefs mhlambe. Mase ngazo-2 kushila izikhonto esingayenza. But ngaya yena mhlawumbe mina ngingayi. Yabo.
By the way, ladies and gentlemen, my Big 3 is referring to Mamelodi Sundowns, Pirates, and Stellenbosch. The Chiefs. Ngiyadlala. Oh, ngiyadlala. Hey, I'm trying. I think that's a very achievable goals. Yabo. Akusi into ngathi like ngeke because yazi I feel like angazi mhlawumbe ongivumela lento leyo. I feel like we've noticed ukuthi lento abantu abathi it's impossible. It's really not impossible. If you find like this band, if you find this band yabona ukuthi well lento impossible ngoba awuyenzi.
Sure.
Yabo.
No-team zawuyena.
Yabo.
After batshontsha ibhola siyakhatha yabo. Ngiyakho ukukhanda ngisho unkulumo.
Yabona uyiplan alikhona. Yabona.
Iyenzeka.
So ayenzeka mfethu and yabo sifisela vele inhlanhla. Yabona about everything. Ukuthi yabo. I want to ask you ukuthi iwaphi ama players ne engathi nibukela kuwona. Engaba la South Africa, engaba international and why?
Low question there. Mina vele ngisakhula belikhona iplayer engibukela kulona. But bengale phesheya ngidlala Madrid. Bengithanda uMarcelo.
Marcelo.
Ngisithanda lethi indlela adlala ngabe ngiyithanda kakhulu. Yena umuntu engikhule ngivela kuyena. Yabembo. Then ngapha eSouth Africa bakhona. uMatlaba.
Matlaba, legend.
Umudiba. But Modiba ama udlale manje left back kodwa kodwa naye ngiyabuyela kuyena ya phela awublind Mthitha kodwa naye ngiyabuyela kuyena manje yangichaza
Wadlala against him.
yeah ngiyadlala against him.
Angifuni ukubuza iscore but yeah. Ngizobanga.
Mina ngikhule ngibukela ku-Itumeleng Khune. Okuwukuthi namanje ngisabukela kuyena because ngiphile vele ukutheni akekho osekwenzile akwenze. Yabo being goalkeeper of the season, player of the season, player of the season, yabo?
Yeah.
Like goalkeeper lo but yabo ngikho ama-awards ngabe khopha ama-players. Yeah. Then Orkanti bengibukela David De Gea ebedlala ku-Fiorentina man.
Hey, siyakhumbula De Gea.
Yeah. Ngathi nguyilabo bantu abayi-2 because ukhona I believe ukuthi unale energy enginayo mengidlala yabo.
Okay.
U-energetic yabo yonke into yakhe uyenza ngalento leyo ukuthi uyayiphusha yabo. So I'm more like yena. Bengise grounding ngiyabona. Nanokuthi wenza i-goalkeeping ukuthi ibe fashionable. Yabo. Ukuthi usukwazi ukuphasa ngathi uphakathi yabo lezo.
Yeah, it's a serious.
Yeah, distribution.
Kanjalo.
Yeah man ngifuna ukubuza laba Chita mina yabo. Ayivele manje iwinter yabo. Abanye bethu banezingane man la yabo. So I mean sorry no. Ngizama ukuthi isiphi isithombe nina enizama ukusipainta yabo for Elon yabo because manje kungenzeka noma yini iwinter manje. Ayihlangene lento engishoyo but what I say is sizoba nengane lathi in future and mhlawumbe when it comes to football specifically zingabukela kunina so ngifuna ukubuza kumina ukuthi isiphi isithombe engathi ngifisa ukusipainta for inangizana because definitely kuzoba khona abantu ababukela kunina na kanjani showcase yabo isiphi isithombe engathi nifuna ukusipainta ngalo hambo lwenu and ngemizamo yenu basically.
Ngicabanga ukuthi vele kuyohlezi khona umuntu obukela kuwena. Kuzohlezi khona umuntu ozothi unkosi khona mengafika lapho nami ngeke give up. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo. Khona umuntu unkosi khona ayistrength sakhe engazi yena. Yabo. Nami khona umuntu engiyistrength sakhe ngingazi. So mase kwa football kanje ezinye izinto sungasazenzele wena. You are doing it for your family, for your fans, even for yourself, for the patch uyayibona leyo mfahla leyo. Because manje bengidliwe intwana yami esigela ikwazi ukuthoma ukuthi ubhuti wami ukore 5 goals. Uyayibona ukuthi
6
ekhaya bakwazi ukuvuka bagqoka iskipa sami ngikorele 5 goals. Uyayibona.
Angasigqoka sakho kuwasawina. Awumele mina.
Kuba into kanjalo mfethu yabo. Kuba into kanjalo ndoda ukuthi sometimes khona umuntu mfethu okhule naye yabo. Khona umuntu unkosi khona amdala kunaye. Owala ekhaya. But usebukela kuyena manje. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo. So leyo nto leyo at the same time even ngathiwa sifuna ukuthi siveze ukuthi ku possible for abanye abantu. Thola ukuthi ngokwe mentality akukho possible. Because ngenzeka ukuthi wena weak mental mina strong mental. And into engenza ukuthi ngifike la ngikhona ukuthi ngaba strong. Ezinye izinto khona izinto engizozisho ongazisho kumina. Enye ngisayithatha serious bese ngijwayele. Wena ufike ethi manager bazisho kuwena udube ekhulume kabi bakuphosh. Uyayibona lo mpahla le. So ngisho ngathiwa sifuna ukuthi siveze okuhle kodwa ngecareer yami ngefootball career but kumele bazi ukuthi akhona ama tests and trials and tribulations la and a serious my brother uyabona phakathi njengoba ngitshela ukuthi uyazi na ukuthi bungekho uyibhayike into ongayenza yabo because into le kuba uyithanda bungeke uzuyeze le ma podcast kanje so muzoqala ukuthi uyofuna ukukhula ngebhola lakho bese uthola that's one person because clears kuba kanjani most of the times ukuthi khona lo muntu nje le olwa nawo ongakubangisi lutho but obona ukuthi always on your case yabo and once waphazamiseka ukuthi uhappy ayikho into usazoyenza because ngisho uvuka edrand ngivuka nale sithombe salo muntu uthi ngiyobheka nalo muntu usazosho ukuthi nokuthi so kuba happy kubalekile mfethu yabo because it's not about ukugqoka amateki FB it's not about the stuff not about flying hamba yonke izwe yabo it's about being happy and doing what you love yabo because awukwazi ukuthi ngenxa ukuthi uthanda inkosi khona uzofuna ukwenzayo ungalazi ibhola uyayibona
so talent
umuntu ozobukela kimi umuntu ounderstandayo into engiyenzayo umuntu ounderstandayo football because ngeke uthathe umuntu etrickets ufake ku football because lapha uyidlalela wedwa I mean yini mfana igoli
Yeah.
yabo sukuwedwa lapho idlalela wena
Yeah.
and manje wa-football udlalela i-team yabo
Oh yeah.
ngingashaya identi umsheke befuna ukuwina against i-Chiefs because it's in my favor maybe yabo
Yeah.
bese enza i-mistake into ekanjalo
Bengifuna ukusho nalento yazokuyisho ukuthi baningi abantu ababukela kuwena and I'm pretty sure ukuthi sometimes ngiyacabanga ukuthi nibukela abantu abadlala ibhola kuphela yabo abantu ababuka ibhola kuphela kanti nalo mhlawumbe ofuna ukuba udokotela or lo ofuna ukuba i-actor yabo ebuke nina olaba aba-like us at TSS amajita bethu afollow-isha i-dream yabo yabo nami mfethu yabona I can follow my own dream yabona it doesn't necessarily have to be ukuthi ngumdlali webhola yabo and I feel like lento i-journey yenu is really inspiring yabo it's really inspiring because and futhi yabona lento ophinde wayisho ukuthi i-Newcastle iyaziwa ngendlela enjani ebhedayo yonke lento leyo and you look at lama conversation esiba nawo manje yabo ukuthi we brought the best of two worlds in podcasting football yabo and sonke sisuka like us yabo and I think sonke siyatshengisa ukuthi no man it's possible to not be associated ezinto ey'bhedayo kuphela yabo usungahamba one day when this podcast is big so usungahamba ukuthi hlala eNyukasela laphana kune podcast lapha yabo leyo nto leyo laphana bese kunamajita bese adlala ibhola bese yabona leyo nto leyo and I feel like we are kind of responsible ukushintsha igama lendawo yabo I feel like futhi enye into and angavumelana nami I feel like futhi okunye baya-exaggerate kakhulu ngeNewcastle yabo bengathi kubheja kakhulu ngathi manje ngathi akuhlale ngathi manje indoda bathi nje ngathi nje uvela ikhanda bese kuqhamuka yabona le nto leyo so ngiyacabanga ukuthi it's overly exaggerated and futhi I think sezamile nge-podcast angifuni ukuthi we made people believe yabo ukuthi kuningi okuhle qhamuka la yabo you look at i-podcast we had a lot of people mfethu yabo batshengisa ukuthi it's Newcastle actually ine-emotion yabo nani ngapha sibabona uzekuseni no ngempela manje ine-emotion indawo lena yabona
sibapheka la kube ibhodo likhona la bengizongitshela sibapheka la abantu abantwini
ivari ngale yabona so I think nani is you're not only representing your families yabo your school and whatever lapho nakhama khona you're representing the whole city
3-4
ngiyafaki i-pressure kakhulu yabo ukuthi kuseni kumele nibe granding open and come kwi-Newcastle yabo but nje I feel like even right now you're actually representing i-city well yabona even right now yabo nina niyakubona ngathi into encane but it's really really big
no Mashita no hayi mina ngifisela inhlanhla Mashita mangaqhubeka nisebenzisa imithi leni isebenzisa la ngichitha baba kanti utheni off camera chief no mina just to wrap it up ngifuna ukuthi if ngingathola i-chance yoku-advise mhlawumbe uSiphe esasemncane or uNkosikhona esasemncane uzi-advise nje mhlawumbe ngendlela osuke wandlula ngayo your own experience uzi-advise imaphi ama-advice ongazinika your younger self yabo for ukuthi just nje nge-way of life
uzenzala
and stuff like that imaphi ama-advices ongawanika your younger self
especially yabona kulo question especially ngesikhathi lisho la ukuthi nandlala into le but you're not thinking
enough
so
advice keep lapho ngitsaya mfethu mele uhlezi uphusha keep on pushing mfethu awazi ukuthi ngisasa likuphatheni ngiyabona because sometimes singalala kumnyama kusasa lapho wakhanya we never know akekho umuntu wazizi kwenzani kusasa ngibona singahlala awusihleli kanjeni mhlawumbe angena i-call kusasa hayi ngikhashi uphoyiseni siyangiyeke kanjalo mhlawumbe Ungayidoubt. Don't
Yeah.
doubt yourself mfethu, yeah.
Mhm.
Futhi ukuphi, qhubeka uphushe.
Mhm.
Yeah, mfethu.
Ungathini ba?
Mina bethu ngathi engingakusho nje mina ngejini yami nangokukhula kwami ngi-advise mina
Mhm.
ukuthi sticking to God
Yeah.
always shows indlela.
Yeah.
And for ukuthi ubone indlela kumele ukuduke yabo ungazazi uhamba. For uzobona ukuthi uNkulunkulu is your light. Kumele uhambe ebumnyameni yabo. So ezinye izinto are meant to happen nje yabo. So ileyo nto engayisho ukuthi ezinye izinto uma ungenayo control over zona accept, keep trying yabo leyo mpahla lena.
Yes.
And pray hard bafethu abokhuleka bafethu because manje ngingakhuleka ukuthi ngikhulekele mina izinto zami ngenzeki but mase ngikhulekela inkosi khona ukuthi kukhanye ke ngibona esikhanya it shows ukuthi umkhuleko uyasebenza ngesikhathi sakhona yabo.
Yeah man, you well articulated yabo. Sibona ngempela nje uthi nifike la yabo nithathe like isikhathi nje yabona kuma schedules sini because siyazi ukuthi as professional players ne hayi ukuthi ujima namhlanje this is so one next week ayibona nje 9 to 5 kini span lesikini yabo so the first ukuthi wazile uthatha isikhathi sini yabona it really means a lot yabo. Bekufuna nje close with nje a question nje ethize ne there's rumors ne there's rumors. Rumors. I mean, I don't need you to want to confirm or deny. Yeah, well, there's rumors, rumors there. Then the social media that were broken by this journalist or journalist page or something.
Is a pop, analysis.
Yeah, there's rumors. We see, there's a signature somewhere. Like Asaz, like because there's a rumors about you are playing CAF football next season. There's a lot of teams that are playing CAF football.
Yeah, my name.
There's rumors about next season. You would be ngabonakala usemuva with a certain machine esebenza. Yabona ngoku-Escaville. There's rumors yabona ukuthi ekuse ungathi ubheke emuva mfethu uyo goalkeeper mfethu amaketanga uyabona. There's rumors nje mfethu ukuthi yabona nje. Kuba nama-2K lapha phambili. There's rumors mfethu yabona. Do you have any comments? Any comments about those rumors?
Nah.
No comments. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's been your boy, the biggest, baddest tiger, and then I'm here with...
Hey, yo, it's your boy, Master CG Plaque. You know what it is.
Yes, sir, Ski and Disabonga for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check out some journey our buffer.
Yeah.
They are really inspiring journeys. Also, I'd like to take this moment and big shout out to Blake Marco. He's been behind the scenes for 2 episodes manje consecutively, yabo.
Guys, uma ningasubscribe bazoliyeka ibhola. Ngiyabona kuzoshuba.
Oh, just before sivale banganthola kuphi kuma socials noma nje yaningi indaba ama socials.
For me it's only IG. One so la specific hlabangane date.
This is young and dating.
Yeah, nah, man. Facebook say, oh yeah.
All it says.
Now don't tell like IG, man. Yeah, because obsession goes down.
Oh,
so
okay.
Case.
Yeah, follow them on Facebook. Any sole, yabo. Asisho with man hambe manje no azamantombazane. Like, hi, because call now. You are around. Nah. Then the face man serious man. Serious. Then we must say hey manje I'm gonna sound like a hater. Khona amantombazane asathana bese ukhamba bese abantu abanama-post eshayile bese. Nami ngisho ukuthi une-post eshayile bese umbona umuntu mfethu usezoba udoctor manje mfethu. Suyafika wena hayi wena unesikhathi sokuhambela lapha abantu mina nginaki. Hawu. Yabo leyo nto leyo mfethu.
Usezwile ukuthi uyavela inyala e-TV.
Bese wena njalo wena kumele uqhambe njalo wena.
Usiyavela amabonakude sebeyamqhafazela manje lapha.
Oh, hey. Asisho ukuthini kodwa lo. Yeah, but thank you Zinfile nasesikhathini yabo. It means a lot. Kade sikhuluma vele ndawo le. It's been since last day, ne? Yeah, so it was meant to be available. So, yeah, man. I don't know, closing remarks. I don't know how to close this.
Yeah. Guys, don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.
Wait for me, especially the ladies. Abafowethu, niyazi. Sengingababalekela abafowethu because they have potential. Hey, guys, you can still come to me. You know, I don't have a problem. But ladies and gents, we out.
We are soon.